Auto Mart rides we have on the market. Now since you've seen our selection now, and you have any bike available for you, what you want, you can push, pull, or drag it on in. We'll get you pre-finance available. Down here at Quickies Auto Mart, we get you in and get you out fast. Just make the dash for some cash, and we'll take care of you. We got winches, sport bike tires, and everything you need. All you guys out there used to drive those Hondas and beat up yellow ones, especially them 250 EXs, we want to get you into a brand new Yamaha Wolverine, the new sport bike plus ATV 4-wheel drive. We got you everything you need. Come on down here. Call the number on the bottom of the screen. It's 1-800-GET-A-BIKE. 1-800-GET-A-BIKE. Come check us out or visit us on the web at www.getabike.com. www.getabike.com. You know who you are. You know you want a bike. Summer's here. See you then.